Good evening, everyone. This is Quentin. We're in my garage looking today at the Liftmaster. I know I've been having several videos of it for 2017, but I saw some spider webs around the opener. Videotaping. It's just my dad telling me. I know I just already opened it. Before I close it, let me show you the rope. All right. Go ahead and, okay, now I'm gonna close it. All right, thank you for watching that video about, I know our garage is a little bit messy out here. Okay, I will need the video for YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe to the channel. Bye.